Are you looking to share a Facebook video with a friend or save it for later? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily copy the link of a Facebook video on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the video you want to copy the link of. You can do this by scrolling through your newsfeed or visiting the profile of the person who posted the video. Next, locate the video you want to copy the link of and click on the three dots at the top of the video. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Click on the Copy Link option from the menu. This will automatically copy the link of the Facebook video to your clipboard, and that's it. You now have successfully copied the link of a Facebook video on your PC. You can paste this link into a message, email, or any other platform to share the video with others. I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to easily copy the link of a Facebook video on your PC with the new update. Thanks for watching.